Hello again, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can promote your video or any of the posts for that matter during holiday times. You can set it for certain period of days for certain amount of money, so you're not overspending. And while your ad is running, it's not just getting you video views or engagement, it also increases your organic reach. So I would recommend that you set aside a certain amount of money every month to do this activity. So when we are in Ads Manager, please remember, no boosting. Ads Manager does the same thing but more sophisticated and better results. So here, this is your navigation panel. You just follow the tips, so to speak, and I will put the playlist of all video creation ads that I did in the past. If you want to go deeper on Facebook ads subject, you are welcome to do it. So I'm interested in video views. I've done a Facebook Live, I've created captions, I put the description, put the link. Now I want more people to see. So I am writing challenge day 1. Okay, and Facebook will offer you a daily budget £100. You can change. Actually, rather than 10, I will go with 5 £5 daily budget. Okay, and then we continue. So we put ad set name, also the same title, so it's easier to follow. Challenge day 1. Okay, and here, what do I have? So I will put with that particular interest. So if you never done Facebook ad before, you will start creating new audience, and for the sake of showing it. But as I said, so here you put the countries that you want to choose, you put the age, choose whether women or men or both, and here you can start targeting house. Hey house. So if you put the spelling wrong, so hey house, and then, or you can put couple of more and click on suggestion. So it will be Louisa Hay, Esther Hicks. I wouldn't go for something like meditation because it's too broad. Choose specific interests. But in my case, I have already saved audience and I choose this one. Okay. And rather than automatic placement, because I know that my video is longer than 2 minutes, it won't go through Instagram, and I don't do audience network because sometimes it will be published on funny articles. And I don't do marketplace. Marketplace is more for selling physical goods, and there is no point in showing my ad where people usually buy physical goods. So I remove stories. If your video is less than 2 minutes, leave the stories by any means. And or if you have just a post, picture post, then leave it in. I go only for Facebook and Facebook video feed, and you can see potential reach 1.5 million, which is okay. I navigate to budget and schedule, so it's a through play. You can read all the descriptions. I'm just doing it very quickly. So through play, okay, and I want, so here schedule, run my ads continuously starting today. When it comes to holidays, you can put end date. So it's already a little bit, so I will put 45, and it gives me a month automatically by default. That's why you need to click and you need to change. You can leave it till 31st depending what kind of ad you have, and in my case, so I will put it till Sunday. Okay, and it will be £35 maximum. So then we go to add. It asks me about identity because I have a lot of pages. If you have just one page, it will be your page. Okay, so it brought me my page. You add Instagram placement when you want to be showcased on Instagram. In my case, I don't do it, and I use existing post. And with existing post, this is my latest video. Okay, and that's about it. One more moment. So here, when you do your video, you don't have an option to add a button, but when you create it as an ad, you have opportunity to add button, and even when you stop using as an ad, you will have that button available and people can click and learn more. Okay, so this is done. We are done, and we click confirm. That's it. Your Facebook ad is done. So if you are interested in Facebook ads, it will be additional library, but rather than that, it's very easy to set up. If you have any questions, please let me know.